Assalamu alaikum.
All right, let's dive into the challenge. Welcome to part 6 of our Sealed Nectar Quiz Series, where we're testing our knowledge on the crucial chapter, In the Shade of the Message and Prophethood. Get ready for the questions. Before the mission of Muhammad, peace be upon him, what kind of dreams did he have? A. True dreams. How did the angel sometimes come to talk to Muhammad, peace be upon him? C. In the form of a man. What did Muhammad, peace be upon him, compare one type of revelation to? A. The ringing of a bell. During very intense revelations, how did Muhammad, peace be upon him, physically react? A. He began to sweat a lot. What would sometimes happen to Muhammad's camel during a heavy revelation? B. It would kneel down. How many times did Muhammad, peace be upon him, see the angel in his true form? A. 2 times. Did any of the companions of Muhammad, peace be upon him, see an angel? Yes, when he appeared as a man. How else could the revelation come to Muhammad, peace be upon him, besides hearing the angel's voice? The angel put the words in his heart. Which of these was not a way Muhammad, peace be upon him, received revelations? A. Getting a text message. How many main stages of revelation did scholars describe? A. 7 stages. For how many years did the Prophet, peace be upon him, carry out this mission of warning after the revelation? C. 23 years. A fundamental part of the call was belief in the oneness of Allah and the hereafter. The call to Islam required testimony to the A. Oneness of Allah. The ultimate objective of the command to warn was to inform people of the consequences of their deeds. He was commanded to keep away from B. Ar-Raheeq, the idols. Thank you for watching and testing your knowledge with us today. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more short quiz videos from the Sealed Nectar, Ar-Raheeq Al-Makhtum. See you in the next quiz.